it's Holly and welcome to the Proper Pineapple. Today I am going to do the March KnitCrate unboxing. If you don't have KnitCrate or know anything about it, let me give you a quick little rundown. Basically, it's a surprise subscription box of yarn. It's good for knitters or crocheters. They're really good about that. I love it. And there's multiple different boxes. This is the membership box. And usually what you get with the membership box is one or two. Usually you get 2 skeins of yarn of their house dyed brands. There's like the Vitellana and another one, I can't remember the name right now, but they're really nice. And you can get any weight. I've gotten DK, worsted, chunky. I'm kind of hoping for some fingering. Anyways, so you can get anything you want there. There's also the sock crate, an artisan crate, and they have a Malabrigo membership that's like, I think it's every quarterly. Anyways, it is wonderful. I love it. It's really, they have basically a crate or a box for all your budgets, for everybody. I love it. Personally, I love the membership one. I've gotten a lot of good yarn. I've gotten some yarn I didn't like, but luckily, the KnitCrate community is wonderful. They have a Ravelry group, excuse me, and they have some other stuff. And if you get one, a color you don't like, because normally, there is, and I keep saying normally, and I'll tell you why in a minute, there's multiple colors. You could get one of like 4 colors, one of 2 colors. So you might get a color you don't like. You can always switch with somebody. People are super great about that. Now this month is a little different. There is for sure only 1 skein of yarn in here, and there was only 1 colorway. And that is because they went with a different dyer than what they normally do, and it's supposed to be a more premium yarn and stuff. So I kind of saw the color online, but I tried not to look too much because I was like, I want to be surprised. So we're going to open up my crate here. All I did, you guys, was cut it open. I didn't peek. You know me, I don't peek. So here we go. I'm going to open it and show you guys first. Let's see. Can they see? I can't see. Can they see? All right. Did you guys get to see it? No? The kids are bad at this. Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the special yarn, and it looks like I got a little something extra too, which I'm going to talk about. And you always get, okay, this little paper is adorable. Can you guys see it's got like little chevron polka dots? So cute. You always get the book. Here is the book for this month. There we go. And it is stunning. Oh my goodness. So that is the, let's see. This is the color choice we only got 1 color choice, and it is by Knitology by KnitCrate, and it is the color Titmouse, and it is 75% merino wool, 15% silk, and 10% cashmere. It is a fingering weight, and you do get 400 yards, and it is so soft, you guys. Let me get it up here for you to see. I gotta get it really close for it to focus, and then I bring it back. Look at that. It's got grays, tans, blues, and a beautiful yellow. Look at that. That is quite pretty. So pretty. Oh my goodness. So, if you look at the inspiration, ooh, that's the one for April. Ooh, guys, look, little sneak peek. This is the inspiration photos for April. I'm kind of excited about April. Okay, so let's see. You get, so it's called, let's see. I'm trying to read. So here's the picture of the yarn from this month. So pretty. I just showed it to you anyways, right? Then let's see. They always have I said let's see a lot in this video? That was crazy. I guess they were saying that these were inspired by birds. I'm guessing here, because that's what they were saying. I'm sorry. There are 2 patterns always. This is the knitted pattern for this yarn. Oh, the lighting is not showing it. There we go, kind of. It's a cute little knit hat called Birdseed. So cute. And then let me see. They've got a knitting bonus set here. So another pattern for knitting. Will it focus? Really, really cute. Now they usually have a crochet pattern, and here it is. So now, I am going to say this so wrong. So you look at the top there. Come on and focus. Come on. Kids, quit wrestling. They're right here. That's the name of the shawl. I have no idea how to pronounce that, but this is the shawl. Very, very pretty. I do like that. I love the blues and the yellows, how they play together. So pretty. Wow. So that is that. And then there was this month, they got a crochet bonus called the honeycomb shawl. Wow, you get 2 patterns. Normally you only get 1 knit pattern and 1 crochet pattern. That's so cool that you get 2. And then just to show you guys, this was the, which crate was this? I'm gonna be honest, guys. I do not remember which crate was which, but they did have a couple other yarns. I believe this was the sock or the artisan crate. They had these 2 beautiful colors. And then they also had this beautiful green. Is that focusing there? Let's see. Yeah, hopefully. All right. So I had beautiful yarn. So I got this gorgeous skein, which I'm really loving. And they sent along a little pouch here that says, make something today. Let's get that up so we can see it. There we go. Make something today. Super, super cute. I love these little pouches. It's got a nice little zipper on it. You could obviously use this as a project bag. Great for like socks and stuff like that. Or a small shawlette. I love getting the KnitCrate. It's so much fun. Again, like I said, it's usually a surprise because usually there's multiple colors you could get. This month there was only the 1 color, but I am not disappointed. I love it. I have been disappointed before and I have gotten a color I didn't like, but I was able to find somebody else in the KnitCrate community that loved the color and I was able to swap for the color I did want. So I've always had a great experience with them. I would highly recommend them. If you don't already get KnitCrate, please use my link down below and my coupon code, which is pineapple20, no spaces, to get 20% off your first purchase. I love this. I have so much fun getting it every month. Every month when this little box, I walk outside and this little teal box is on my porch, I'm like, yarn! It's so much fun. And this color is so interesting. I'm definitely going to make something with it. I'm not sure yet, but definitely going to make something really cool. I do love it. Well, I got to get out of here, guys. If you get KnitCrate, I hope you love it as much as I do. I really do love this color. I love blue and yellow. But anyways, I got to get out of here. I'll talk to you guys later.